Okay, you're cheap AF. You don't want to get software to communicate with your cleaning team, your co-host, your business partner about your Airbnb reservations. And actually this works with other channels too, but let's focus on Airbnb for this video. So what I'm going to show you to do is to take your Airbnb calendar for a specific listing, which is really cool because maybe you want to share one listing with one person, another listing with another person. Take a calendar link from one of your listings, put it into your Google Calendar, and then you can also share that link with whomever you want so they also get updates when you get new bookings. So I'll show you what I mean. You're going to go to your Airbnb account and you are going to go to your listings. You're going to pick the listing that you want to get the calendar link from, and you're going to go to pricing and availability. Click on that, scroll all the way down to the calendar sync section. You're going to click export calendar and you're going to copy this URL that it populates for you. Then you're going to head over to your Google Calendar, scroll down to other calendars, press the plus sign, say from URL. You want to use the URL for this calendar creation. You're going to paste it and you're going to add the calendar. You'll get a little notification down here that says calendar was created. And then if you scroll down over here, you'll see it populated right over here. If you click on that, you can change the name of it to, the name of your rental, vintage cottage, and you can set up all these notifications so you can get emails if you want when you get a new booking or something has changed with that booking. And then in your email account, you could create forwarding rules. Like if I get this email from this email address, forward it to this person. But what's even simpler is that URL Airbnb gave you, share that with your cleaning team. Hopefully they use Google Calendar. It is free. And have them do the exact same steps I just showed you with their own calendar. And they will also get up-to-date bookings, reservation changes, all that stuff in their Google Calendar, and you can both be on the same page.